Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set email messages to stop notifying or notify me on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen open up the Mail app. In here I'm going to open up all inboxes and then swipe across on email message that you want to notify or not notify, and then tap on the more button. Now swipe up to go down and tap on notify me if you want this email message to notify you as soon as it arrives in your inbox. Now you can also touch and hold on that email message and then swipe up from the contextual menu, and then in here tap on notify me or stop notifying, and that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off email messages and notifications for a particular email. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.